Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am your English teacher from class nursery. First we review and read sounds from A to D. What is this? A. And what is the sound of A? A. What come after A? B. And what is the sound of B? B. What is the sound of B? B. A. B. What comes after B? C. And what is the sound of C? K. What is the sound of C? K. And what comes after C? D. D. And what is the sound of D? D. D. Again, read with me. A, B, C, D. Now sound the letter A. A. B, K, D, A, B, K, D. Dear students, look at here. A is the first letter of alphabet. And what is the sound of A? A. What comes after A? B. B is the second letter of alphabet. And what is the sound of B? B. C. C is the third letter of alphabets. And what come after B? C. C is the third letter of alphabet. And what is the sound of C? K. Again. A. B. K. A. B. K. Dear student, this is your English book and open it. Look at here, page number 15. Today we learn letter C, and letter C is the third letter of alphabet. And what is the sound of C? K. What is the sound of C? K. K. Cat. K. Cat. K. Cat. K. Car. K. Car. K. Carrot. K. Carrot. K. Cow. K. Cow. K. Cow. This is your work. Do it at home. Okay, love this.